All right, we at the Fortunato open house. Just want to show you a few cars from the Fortunato open house, so stay tuned. Oh, this thing is nice.
So good.
How much power this making?
Around 800.
Hear that? Pretty big.
This is not even an LSP, this is like an LP9 on a supercharger.
Hey, Dave, well, that thing barely fit in there.
A Magnus supercharger.
Shake it down so the headers could fit. That's crazy. Crazy man.
Yeah.
Crazy man. Fucking crazy.
Clean. Very clean swap. And it's turbo? God.
Oh, great there. I didn't even see that.
I mean, that turner was well, but it's going to cook.
Just sent me a sad face emoji.
Did you? That's what blew my motor.
You probably didn't take that.
Hit it.
I put the turbo on.
I don't use it.
Last time I told him that call you. Yeah.
Yo, this a blue Century. That thing is huge.
This is a car.
Amazon Prime. And the fact that, like, I will say, like, I care less about the car shit now. We have fucking cars.
If I got an H3, I'd probably have to make a sale. Oh my God.
You don't get 550 horsepower with a 54mm turbo. It's the same as it is. Yeah, I like the Artec stuff a lot.
Yeah, Ben at Artec is a great friend of mine. He, so if you watch any of the PRI videos from the press here, you watch the PRP, IRP videos.
People should be watching.
I stopped. Once the cars go boom and then they're off, I stopped watching.
He's gonna go Bill side. Bill side was in 20. I bet this thing this thing's running.
Especially the fact that you can buy this year. They're gonna be like, when you come back to the
Travis said we heard you laugh from up here.
You got a loud ass laugh.
Oh man. I don't even know what they I don't even know what they had though.
You're on the vlog.
Hey.
The vlog. The vlog.
I like the screen on the front. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I got the 10 has it. I'm with my black friend Kevin.
I wish I was rich like you.
Oh man.